Hi, I'm Miss Jennifer, preschool specialist with the Bloomington Parks and Recreation Department's Banneker Community Center. On Thursdays, I'm sharing fun snacks you can make with your kids. Today, let's make mini monkey breads. This sticky sweet pull-apart bread is one many adults might remember making with our own grandmothers. This version is made quicker by using refrigerated biscuit dough, and we'll make them in a muffin tin for individual portions. Thanks for joining me today. Check back tomorrow for a Physical Friday activity. Bye, friends.